Ya. Ya está. No más grave.
Ya está.
I have a leak here. ¿Lo ves? So the way to find a leak, I put some spit on my finger so you can see where it is. And it's right here. Right there. So I get this thing here. It's sticky, rubbery. I put it in the middle here. Until I make sure that it's even, more or less, just like that. And then I find the hole. I put some pressure. You gotta be careful. You don't go all the way in, because then this will fall inside, then you gotta do it again. Twist it, hold the rubber thing, and pull out. And then no more leak. And then you test that again. Yeah?
Yeah.
No more leak. No more leak. Have a good one, lawn dogs.